probably see it all clear and realize you lost a real love who was here for you unconditionally. But it's ugly now, years down the line you reminisce to the point you shed a tear. But I be long gone and I never will appear in your life no more. So give me by the ear, turn on the radio and I be all that you can hear. And you'll be mad you ever when it let me disappear. And that's only my dreams that I run to. It just sucks that one of them will never come true. You did some shit you can't Apple Z undo. You cocked back and shot me down with your gun, boo. And I still got the wounds that approve it. What the fuck's the point of having love if you lose it? Took the energy, that's what I go into the booth with. Now write a song from my heart, you abused it. And paint the picture of a love lost. Now I know I can't afford the price love costs. Feeling feeble and weak from the blood loss seeping from my chest. Now I know it just ain't what it once was.